Hey everyone, so this week for disability status, we're going over the speechless episode. To start off, I just wanted to talk about it's a little bit emotional topic for me. My uncle and my friend Kylie are both mentally and physically handicapped from a car accident. Some of the stereotypes affect them on a daily basis, and no, they're not a burden to me. And I've watched them both grow as people, and they actually both were not born with the disabilities, but they encountered them after their accidents. The Speechless episode, season 1, episode 12, Hero, is about Ray, who wants to write about JJ for his hero speech, but he ends up actually changing it. The other student, Donald, writes about him, even though he doesn't really know JJ. Um, Donald decides to keep his speech, even though JJ confronted him about it, and Donald ends up winning. I thought it was like kind of messed up just because his brother approached him about it, and he still decided not to change it. And even though Ray was like honest about everything and decided to do something else, he did not win. The individual difference in media, the first thing that came to my mind was Drake and Degrassi. It was kind of the first time I recall seeing someone in a wheelchair on a popular television show, and I believe Drake was shot, and that's how he ended up in the wheelchair, but everyone kind of looked at him differently. He played basketball, and I just think it's super important to treat people with disabilities kind of the same way because even though my friend Kylie is disabled, she still can recognize like when people are treating her differently. Um, and that's pretty much it. I think as society we've came a long way to include people with disabilities in media, and I hope that it keeps excelling and we do not see perfect people in every show, movie, and like media post just because there's all different people out there. And yeah, that's it.